BabyBus.
Your food is here. Kiki. Miumiu? Where did they go? I'll just put it on the table.
New friend? Shh. You scared away my butterfly! Sorry! Huh? What's that sound?
A beautiful castle, la 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 la. You and me together, la la.
Such a nice voice!
Hi! La 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 la. Let's build a castle, la la
Let's
la
be
la.
friends.
A beautiful castle, la 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 la.
Hi!
You
I'm
and
Cola.
me together, la la la
Hi.
la la la. Oh hi!
You're a really good singer! Can you teach me how to sing?
Of course. Listen carefully. La 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 la. Let's build a castle. La 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 la.
Great!
Now it's your turn.
Okay. Watch me!
It's okay. Try again. Very good. One more time. One more time. Why did you do this?
I'm so sorry! I didn't mean to do that! Hey, new guy! Will you help us? Okay! We will have a running race. Can you be the referee? Okay! Get set! Go! Run, run! Come on, run! Yeah, come on, go! Come on, run! Ouch! Hey, sorry. I didn't mean it. You ruined our race. It's all your fault. Sorry, I burp when I get nervous. Let's go. Wait! Huh? Hi! Hi, guys! I'm Cola! What are you doing?
I like it here. It's all ours.
La 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 la.
Huh?
me.
Stop!
You again?
Stop! Don't come any closer!
Burping, burping cola. Burping, burping cola. 3 bad pizzas make a mess. Brave Cola says, what should I do? Let's see what he found out.
Cola bomb!
Come on, Brave Cola. Cola bomb.
Boom!
Cola bomb.
Boom!
Here we go, Brave Cola. Burping, burping cola. Burping, burping cola.
Great! Thank you for saving us! Your cola bomb is so cool! When I burp, I can help others too. Kids, do you want to be friends with me? Wow, juice! Who left this banana peel here? Oh, why is there trash everywhere? Hey. Oh. Are they... Stop right there! Hey, come back here! Fry, what happened to your fries? They're missing. I was taking a nap and suddenly they ran away. Wait! I think I saw your fries over there! Over there! Catch them! Stop! Come back! Ants? The ants took them away. My goodness, there are so many ants here. Help me, guys! They're too strong.
Help
Come up here,
Phew, that was close.
Why are there so many ants? That's so scary. There's a lot of trash in the kitchen today. That's probably why the ants came out. Who left all these trash on the floor? That's really nasty.
Whoever did this should be sorry. Hamburg could have been taken by the ants. Hey, what's the matter, Hamburg?
I'm sorry. It's all my fault. I made a mess and the ants came out because of me.
The ants are all coming up. They keep coming. What should we do? They won't catch us.
We're in big trouble!
We need to figure out what to do. Aha! I've got an idea. Hurry up! Follow me!
Hey guys! Come on, let's go. Turn on the robot cleaner. All those trash on the floor. Clean up, clean up. Come on, clean up all the trash here. All done. Come on, clean up all the trash there. All done. Now it's clean everywhere.
Oh, over there!
Hey guys! Come on, let's go. Turn on the robot cleaner. All those trash on the floor. Clean up, clean up. No, don't leave trash on the floor. Keep it clean. Come on, don't leave trash on the floor.
Keep it clean! Keep it clean! Keep it clean!
The kitchen is so clean now.
The ants went away. That was really close.
I'm so scared of them. Do you think they'll come back? As long as we keep the kitchen clean, they won't come out.
I will never throw trash on the floor again.
It's Katie.
No, not this one. Where is it? Aww. I can't find it. Ah! It was you, Donnie.
What are are you looking for?
I can't find my favorite bow.
Huh? Are you sure it's not in here?
Yeah, I looked all around, but I still can't find it.
I see. Maybe someone took it.
Someone took it?
I'm sure. Don't worry, I'll help you find it. Haha, I'm Detective Donnie.
Wow!
I'll find the thief and get your bow back.
Oh?
Huh? Here's a clue.
Huh? It's tomato juice. Oh?
Maybe it's Thief Tomato. I got it. Let's follow the trace. Huh? It's gone. Look, Thief Tomato! Let's go!
I think I heard something. Never mind. It's face mask time.
Thief Tomato!
It's Bao. What's wrong?
By following the clue, I suppose the one who took Katie's bow must be you!
Bow? What bow? I know nothing about it. He's right. He was with me all day long.
All day long? Is that so? Huh? Maybe it wasn't you.
Of course it wasn't me.
We need some other clues.
Huh?
Let's go.
Aha! I know who took the bow!
A sesame seed. It's Thief Sesame?
Shh! Follow me. I will catch the real thief this time.
Thief Sesame! You took Katie's bow, didn't you?
Bo? No, I didn't! Stop lying! I found your sesame seed right beside Katie's place. My sesame seed? Oh? Oh, I bumped into Milky. I think I dropped it then. Well, that sounds about right. Did I get it wrong again? Of course you did! Hold on, you bumped into Milky? Yes. Huh? Then maybe it's Milky. Gotta go! Huh?
Hey guys! Do you want to join me?
Oh, the bow! I got you! You took Katie's bow, right?
What? I never take things from others.
Stop lying!
I'm not lying.
Must be the thief!
Calm down, guys.
You are the thief!
No, I'm not. That's not my bow.
What? Are you sure?
Yes, my bow is not here.
I guess I got it wrong again? Donnie, are you calling others thieves again? Hey, guys.
It feels terrible being called a thief.
I don't like it. Humph!
How can you do that?
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that before knowing the truth.
Well, Donnie was just trying to help me find my bow.
But in fact, I found nothing. And I blamed you guys for it.
I see.
Then we will forgive you. Really?
Mhm.
And we will help you.
Is there any other place that you didn't look?
Yeah, Katie, did you go anywhere else?
Let me think. Ah, I went over there too.
Then we should have started from there.
Yeah, why didn't I think of that?
Guys, let's go together.
I won't make the same mistake again. Come on, let's take a look. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's split up.
Okay.
We're little detectives looking for clues. Don't be rash. We are great detectives.
Aha, I found it.
We're little detectives looking for clues. Don't be rash. We are great detectives. We did it!
Kids, do you want to be great detectives? Make sure you have enough clues before you make a conclusion. Remember, never suspect others without a good reason. Catch the ball!
Yay! I can jump really high!
Wow!
I want to play on the seesaw! Katie, can I play too? Of course! Make me fly really high!
Leave it to me.
I want to jump much higher!
Okay, let's do it.
Donnie, are you okay?
Hey, what's wrong?
I got lost. I can't go back home.
It's all right. I've been walking for a long time, but I'm still not home either.
Are you alright?
I'm fine. I mean, as long as you keep walking towards home, you'll get there sometime.
Towards home? Huh? I got it! Thank you, Snail! Now I'm safe. I need to hurry up. That was close. How can I get across? Little candy, la 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 la. Little candy, la 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 la. Don't be afraid when you're in trouble. La 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 la. Oh no! Little red candy, he's in danger. Little red candy, don't be afraid. Little red candy, think of a way. Little red candy, you can do it. Just be brave and do your best. Yeah, you did it! Let's go find red candy.
Uh-huh.
Great, I made it! Oh, he's back! You're finally back!
We've been so worried about you.
Are you alright? What happened to your color? I fell into water by accident.
And then let me color you again. Haha.
Sounds great! Kids, if you're in trouble, don't panic. Be brave and think of what you can do, just like me. Arg, arg, I'm a scary T-Rex. T-Rex is coming. Oh,
All done! Rudolph, let's go to the party!
Oh, okay, let's go!
Come out, everyone!
Wow! Oh, it looks so scary. Look at its big mouth. It will eat everything in sight.
Don't be so scared. It's just a toy. Don't be afraid. Come on.
Donnie!
It's okay. Come and touch it. Why are they running away? I'm so sorry. I just... It's alive! I have an idea. Shh. Stay in here and be quiet.
Come find me, please. Don't eat me! Don't eat me! I don't taste very good.
Hey, Dino!
Come and get me! You can't catch me!
Ouch, that hurt. Oh, where am I? Whoa, it's so high. Don't eat me! Don't eat me! Huh? Oh? 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 Huh?
Let him go! Let him go, you bad dino!
Huh? Calm down, guys. We misunderstood the dino.
Huh?
Thank you, Dino.
Donnie, what's going on?
We misunderstood him. He wasn't trying to eat us, but asking for help.
He needs our help?
Look, something's stuck in his mouth.
I see. It must be so painful. How can we help him?
I have an idea. It's so tight. I can't pull it out.
Aw, what should we do? Let's do it together.
Together? Aha!
Uh-huh.
Ta-da! Let's pull it out with this. On my mark. 1, 2, pull!
1, 2, pull! 1, 2, pull!
Yay! We did it!
Here are little friends and a big T-Rex. We are all friends now, having so much fun. Let's slide down, it's so much fun. Sliding down on Dino's back into the water. Let's swim around, it's so much fun. Having fun on Dino's tummy, we're happy. Come on, my good friends, I want to play with you. Come on, my good friends, I want to dance with you. Let's have a dance, my friends. Kiki, your cake was really yummy.
They're coming back! Hide, everyone!
My T-Rex! Let's go home.
Oh, he's going home! Bye, Dino!